Ever dreamt of creating the ultimate cozy bath experience right at home? Well, your dream is about to come true. We're about to embark on a journey, exploring 5 key categories of items that can transform your bath into a soothing oasis. From bath products that pamper your skin, comfort essentials that add a plush touch, atmosphere enhancers to set the mood, optional extras for a personal touch, to hydration and nourishment for a well-rounded experience. So, stay tuned and let's dive into the first category. Firstly, let's talk bath products. These are the magical ingredients that transform a standard bath into a spa-like escape. Bath salts help relax muscles and soften skin. Then there's bubble bath or bath oil, adding a luxurious touch with fragrances and bubbles. Bath bombs infuse your bath with color, fragrance, and nourishing ingredients. And don't forget essential oils. Calming scents like lavender, chamomile, or ylang-ylang promote relaxation. With the right bath products, you're halfway there to a luxurious bath experience. Now let's focus on comfort essentials, because what's a cozy bath without a little comfort? First up, a soft bathrobe, your cocoon of warmth that hugs you before and after your bath. Then plush towels, not just to dry off, but to indulge in the softness against your skin. And finally, a bath pillow. It's the support system for your head and neck, granting you the luxury of a relaxing soak. These comfort essentials will surely elevate your bath experience. Moving on, let's set the mood with some atmosphere enhancers. Begin by lighting a few candles. The soft flicker will create a warm and inviting ambiance. Next, dimmable lighting is your best friend. Adjust the brightness to your liking for the ultimate relaxation. Lastly, don't forget the power of sound. Play some soothing music or nature sounds to really enhance your relaxation. With these enhancers, you're sure to create a bath ambiance that's truly relaxing. Lastly, let's touch upon the optional extras and hydration and nourishment. Consider a bath tray for your favorite book or snacks, a hydrating facial mask for a mini spa experience, or even an exfoliating scrub to reveal smoother skin. Don't forget a waterproof speaker for your personalized bath soundtrack. As you soak, it's essential to stay hydrated with water or herbal tea. Light snacks, such as fruit or nuts, can add another layer of enjoyment. Remember, the key to a perfect bath lies in personalizing it to your preferences. There you have it, folks, your guide to creating a cozy bath experience. Remember, bath products like salts, oils, and balms are essential. Comfort items like robes, towels, and bath pillows elevate the experience. Atmosphere enhancers such as candles, dimmable lighting, and soothing sounds set the mood. Don't forget the optional extras like bath trays, facial masks, and a waterproof speaker. Lastly, keep yourself hydrated and nourished with a refreshing drink and light snacks. Go ahead, prepare your ultimate bath experience, and don't forget to subscribe for more self-care tips.